How to promote Redbubble products on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you a way or some ways on how you will be able to promote your products on TikTok, as you can see over here. Now, let's get right into it. Now, my suggestion on how you will be able to promote your own product in Redbubble so that you could boost your own sales by utilizing TikTok is by, of course, the most simplest way, posting videos about it. Like create videos about the product that you have created in Redbubble and simply upload it in TikTok. You can even use it on your clothing, like buy some of your products and then create some TikTok videos. You don't have to talk about your product, you just have to wear it so that people can see the product that you have created. And if people are interested in your clothes, of course, you could send them or give them the link to your own store so that you will be able to earn some sales. Basically, just create videos. You don't have to do anything related to Redbubble. Simply show that you are wearing the outfit. Or you could go the other direction where you completely talk about the product that you have created in Redbubble, basically promoting it direct to the point, like saying, this product is very good, high quality, stuff like that. Simply create a video about that. You could also utilize the advertisement video feature of TikTok where the video will appear as an advertisement and basically show up to everyone as long as you're willing to pay for the advertisement schedule and like the advertisement screen time. And through that, you will be able to gain a lot of audience and let them know that your product over here in Redbubble exists so that you have a higher chance of earning money through that section. Now, let's try and demonstrate to you on how you will be able to do this. For today's video, we will be using Canva to generate our images. We will first create our design in Redbubble, and then we're going to create our video also through Canva over here, and then use that video to be able to show you a type of video that you could upload to TikTok as well to promote your Redbubble product. So over here in Canva, we're first going to create our design for our Redbubble. Click on create a design over here. Click on custom size. Now, if you don't know, for Redbubble, you are required to have a minimum of 1000 pixels to have a good quality design. So we are creating a design, a 1x1 canvas over here with over 1000 pixels. So what you're using in Canva the most is the elements, uploads, and text over here for the different texts. And the way you proceed with this depends on how creative you are, the topic that you're trying to create. But let's proceed and create our own topic. Now for me, I would like to create a topic about coffee. So let's simply search for coffee in our elements over here. Coffee, just like that. And then we can see here in graphics. Also, don't worry, if you're not familiar with Canva, you will be able to use a lot of it feature even though you aren't paid or even though you're not subscribed to their plan. You will be able to use most of the feature even though it is completely for free, and you will be able to create amazing artwork either way. So over here right now on our left side, as you can see multiple outputs over here, multiple graphics that you could use to build out your output. So let's find a good looking one and then let's combine different elements together to create an amazing output. So for example, this person over here, let's put this in the middle over here, make it centered just like that. Put like a background or like a outline, a border to this person. Let's make it centered. There we go. Then let's look for more items over here. Maybe this one, this small text over here. We could remove that as well. Maybe this one over here, mama needs coffee. We could put this at the back, just like that. Then we could position it at the back, just like that. Then we could change the color of our text to a different color. Let's see. Maybe this color over here. We have a very simple design right away. Then let's see if we could add something else to try and make it look nicer. Or actually, let's see. Let's click on edit image over here. I think I'm supposed to select the text. So we're going to go to the layers, select this. And let's see what we could do with our color over here. Let's change it because I think it's blending too much with the background. So let's make it a bit darker. You can see here. There we go. Now it's more contrast, so we can see the person and our border over here. Now let's look for more things that we could add to our design over here. Now, if you don't see anything really, you don't have to force it. Sometimes, even though it's simple, it's already going to look good. So for now, I think this will suffice. We're going to settle with this design over here. Simply click on share, download, and as a PDF over here. PNG, I mean. Then click on transparent background. For me, I would like to have a transparent background, but for you, you don't have to do this. Even though you have background, it's still completely good. So click on download. And now over here in Redbubble, to be able to add your product, you can simply click on your character over here or your profile, click on sell your art. And then over here, you can click on add new work over here on the top right. And you will be redirected to the section where you could edit the design and upload the design on your different products. As you can see here, upload new work. The minimum resolution is 1000 pixels. Simply upload that. And now over here, you can add your title, tags, description, and your different media over here. Now, right now, I'm not going to proceed from this section, but this is an example over here. You can create all of this stuff. But for us, we're going to utilize the mock-up of design over here, mock-up of Canva, because we downloaded it. So let's add a new page. Upload our design back to Canva over here because this is an element. It's like a compilation of elements, but this one is a complete image. So after this, we're going to click on edit image. Then you have your mockup over here on the right on this section. It's usually under here, as you can see, smart mockups. Click that and then you will be able to see all of these options that you could use as a mockup for the design that you have created. Now we will be focusing on t-shirts because in Redbubble, most of the stuff are t-shirts, but there's stuff other also, like stickers over here, as you can see, magnets, and phone cases, and all of those stuff. As you can see, this is our output. Simply choose from different type of mockup over here. The mockup that you choose is completely up to you. Let's see, maybe this one over here. Let's see for more outputs, or you can see, as you can see, or you could have it as a t-shirt or rather mug design over here. You can see. And for example, this one. Let's settle with this one over here. Let's see this design over here. And there we go. We have our very simple design over here. Let's enlarge this. Let's put this bigger just like that. And let's download this image once again. Click on download, and let's go with page 2. And download. Now, this is currently downloading. Now I'm going to show you how you could use Canva as well for editing videos for TikTok. Now we could go back here at home. Now you don't need to create a super complicated video like you showing yourself as well. But that is completely up to you. But for us, we're going to create like a simple promotional video for our own product over here using Canva and promoting it through TikTok over here. So over here, this is their video editor. What you're simply going to do is to upload the mock-up photo over here. So we're uploading it right now. And you see it's being uploaded over here. Now what you can do is let's give it some time. Upload. Then we will drag it into our screen over here. There we go. This is our design over here, our mock-up. So let's make it centered just like that. Then let's put our own design below here in the bottom. Just clear it over here just like that. Now we have our design over here. Put it there. Then you can click on text over here. You can look through the different text over here that is available. Then you could have this, and then you can simply edit the text that is available over here. Make sure that it is connected to your output, and we could adjust this just like that. Now we have a very simple output over here. Let's fix our position over here, layers, select this, make it fit. There we go. Now you can simply add some animation over here, like animate, like fade, or bleed in, or tectonic, depending on the type of animation that you would like to have, like that. And let's select our other element over here. Click our position, select this, animate, and then fade this also. or you could go with tectonic as well, or drift. There. Now, when you play this is what it's going to look like. And now you could add like a compilation of your different outputs in Redbubble and upload that simply in your TikTok over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.